Hi friends, welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing a big, shiny apple. It's red, round, and super tasty. But have you ever wondered how apples grow? As we create our apple artwork, we'll learn all about its journey from a tiny seed to a crunchy snack. And hey, if you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an adventure. Let's picture a little apple seed. It's small and brown, but it's packed with power. When that seed goes into the soil, something magical begins. First, a tiny sprout pokes up from the ground. It's called a seedling. That's the baby apple tree. It needs sunlight, water, and love to grow big and strong. Can you imagine watering your own apple tree every day? What would you name it? Let's imagine. Little Sprout is a baby apple tree in a sunny garden. Every morning, birds sing to it, and raindrops tickle its leaves. After a few years, Little Sprout becomes a tall apple tree with strong branches and lots of green leaves. One day, poof! The tree grows pink and white blossoms. That means apples are on the way. Can you guess how long it takes to grow real apples? Keep listening. Each blossom on the tree has a special center called a pistil. That's where the apple will grow. Bees come buzzing and help with pollination. They move pollen from one flower to another. Then, slowly the petals fall off and a tiny green ball starts to grow. That's the beginning of an apple. And guess what? It can take 4 to 6 months for an apple to grow big enough to pick. That's a lot of waiting, but it's worth it.
Yes!
Let's look at our apple. So shiny, so round, and full of yummy crunch. Apples grow on trees and orchards, and one tree can grow hundreds of apples every year. There are over 7,000 kinds of apples. Green ones, red ones, sweet ones, and sour ones. What kind of apple do you like best? finished our bright and beautiful apple drawing, and we learned the whole apple story from tiny seed to tasty fruit. Let's remember, apples grow from blossoms. Bees help pollinate. It takes months to grow, and every apple starts as a tiny seed. Thanks for learning and coloring with us. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Let's Draw and Learn.